I have visited with manufacturers all across the globe here, in Asia, Australia, Canada, all over the place. And one of their major issues is tracking downtime. Not only does it affect costs, but if they're not effectively tracking this, it reduces their productivity. They lose production time. Any number of issues can occur not just because they don't have that visibility. This can be really caused by a variety of factors, machine breakdowns, quality issues, material shortages. So the best way I've seen manufacturers address this issue head on is by really embracing a digital transformation. Manufacturing has always been an industry that's been a bit slow in adopting new technologies, but I have assisted with implementing MES solutions, and now most recently ShiftWorks, really across the globe here. And what that does is it really grants manufacturing companies visibility into their downtime in real time, which it enables them to be proactive in resolving issues rather than reactive, and gives them agile data that they need to really drill down into a root cause analysis, so to speak, of what is causing downtime, by reviewing this real-time data and analytics, and enables them to be more agile. I wanted to take a quick second to show this layout here, which is a ShiftWorks display. And what you can see here, the rolling press 1, saw 102, EDM 3, those are all examples of machines. And these are what we call blue bars. And it kind of shows us a graphical representation of work activity over a period of time. On the right panel there in the yellow and the light blue, we have different KPIs that we can configure within the system that shows us, our uptime for a specific shift, parts made against that machine, uptime over a 24-hour rolling period, and just gives us really any metrics based on the data points that we have defined in the system that we want to pull out. So really a versatile tool, easy to use, and really quite encompassing. This is an example of something that we would display on a plant floor, out for the operators, the production supervisors, everybody to see, just to give them an overall viewpoint of current downtime, current work activity. And as you can see on some of the machines here, you're able to see, hey, this EDM3 is currently down for unscheduled maintenance. So, and again, enabling us to be more proactive in resolving these issues as they occur.